Hey guys, I will show you how to fix slow laptop problem or a PC problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. Let's begin. So in the first step, we need to just go to search bar, type your task manager and then click here to open it. Now on this window, we need to click on run new task and click on browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then we need to open Windows folder and then just scroll down and find out system32 here. Just double click on it to open it, and on this window in this folder we need to find out cmd.exe. Here it is. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This is very important. This will create the task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we're here, we need to close the background windows and focus on the command prompt window only. Now type your sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time to complete the process. We need to complete this in the background. Till then we will move to the next method. Just minimize it. Now go to search bar, type your sysdm.cpl and then click here to open it. Now go to advanced tab and click on settings. You can see this window on my screen. You have to set all these options. Just go to custom, uncheck these two, then check these two and uncheck this all. So you have to do this as per my screen, then click on apply and then OK. Now close the window, right click on the start icon, click on settings. We need to click on these three lines and just go to privacy and security. Once we are here, we need to just click on general tab from the Windows permission and turn off these four options. If you see this type of window, then just turn off all the four options. Now close the window. In the last method, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your %temp% and hit enter. You will get multiple files and folders here. Just press Ctrl A together to select all these files together. Right click on them and click on delete. Once done, just make sure you have to complete this up to the 100%, and then after the process completes, you need to just restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.